Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is a Witchcraft Wednesday and I'm going to show you 3 ways I use white pine during this winter season. So sit back, relax, and let's get crafting. First thing we're going to be making is a household all-purpose cleaner. You'll need a jar, some vinegar, herbs of your choice, pine needles and sticks, and a breathable top. I'm using a coffee filter and hair elastic. The first thing you're going to do is fill your jar with pine. I filled mine halfway. The next thing you're going to do is add your herbs. I chose basil for abundance, and I also chose lavender for protection and cleansing. Once you have added your herbs, you're going to fill the container with vinegar. Once the container is filled, stir your herbs into the mixture as they probably have floated to the top. Once that's done, put on the coffee filter or the lid and set in a cool, dark space to infuse over the next couple of weeks or months. And there you have it, a pine sol homemade cleaner. I've included 2 recipes down below in my description for you to follow if you are interested. Now let's get on to the second craft. Craft number 2, a peace charm. You're going to need 3 sprigs of cedar, 3 sprigs of pine, and 3 red beads, along with wire and thread. I'm using a leather string for this, but you're welcome to use ribbon or any type of string that you have on hand. First, you're going to wrap the 3 sprigs of cedar together. This is going to bring in cleansing and protection of your space. Next, you're going to attach the 3 sprigs of pine. This is going to bring in peace and unity into your space. You're going to attach the string that's going to bind the 2 of them together. And for decoration and to bring in love and passion, I am going to attach 3 beads. You can hang this on your door, on your window, or outside your front door, just like I have, to bring in the peace and protection and love of the holiday spirit. Now, craft number 3. I've been seeing a lot of witchies making pine needle brooms or pine needle brushes, but I'm going to make a simpler one. All you're going to need is a handful of pine needles, string, and cordage of some sort. You are going to set these needles together, trying to make them as even as possible, and you're going to wrap the top with string as tightly as possible. Once they are bound, you're going to then wrap it with your cordage of choice. I'm using leather. And there you have it, a simple little brush or broom for you to help cleanse your crystals, brush away negative energies from your deck or space. Thanks for watching and supporting this channel. I will see you all in the new year. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked this video. And until next time, stay safe, stay magical, and as always, have the day that you deserve. Toodles for now.